A few years ago, I struggled with keeping my home tidy. No matter what I did, clutter would always find a way back. But then, I discovered a set of habits that changed everything. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the 11 habits that helped me maintain a consistently clean and organized home. Number 1. Daily reset. Imagine walking into your home and instantly feeling a sense of calm and order. This is the magic of a daily reset, a simple yet transformative practice. By spending just a few minutes each day tidying common areas, you prevent small messes from turning into overwhelming clutter. It's like hitting the refresh button on your space. Start by addressing any visible messes, putting away stray items, straightening up cushions, and clearing off surfaces. This daily habit ensures that clutter doesn't accumulate and makes your home feel organized and welcoming. The key to an effective daily reset is consistency. Set aside a specific time each day, perhaps before dinner or right after work, to do a quick walkthrough of your main living areas. Use this time to return items to their designated spots and deal with minor messes immediately. This approach keeps your home from descending into chaos and helps maintain a sense of calm and control. Number 2. Floors. Keeping floors clean is crucial for maintaining an organized and pleasant living space. High-traffic areas, like your kitchen and hallway, are especially prone to dirt and crumbs, which can quickly make a clean home look messy. To stay ahead of this, make sweeping or vacuuming a daily habit. A quick sweep removes visible debris and prevents the buildup of dirt. For sticky spills and tougher messes, a damp mop works wonders. Just a few minutes each day can make a significant difference in keeping your floors looking fresh and clean. If you have pets, consider investing in a robotic vacuum. These handy devices can automatically roam your floors, picking up pet hair and dust bunnies before they become a problem. While they don't replace deep cleaning, they are fantastic for keeping up with daily debris. Number 3. Pet care and odors. Pets bring joy to our lives, but they also require diligent care to keep your home smelling fresh and clean. Daily scooping of litter boxes is essential to avoid unpleasant odors and maintain your pet's health. Additionally, be proactive about addressing other potential odor sources. Overflowing trash cans or forgotten spills can contribute to a less than fresh environment. For a more comprehensive approach, perform a quick sniff test around your home every few days. This will help you identify any hidden odor sources, such as spilled food or accumulated waste. Address these issues promptly to prevent odors from becoming a persistent problem. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Number 4. Bathroom surfaces. The bathroom can easily become a hotspot for grime and bacteria if not cleaned regularly. To combat this, make it a habit to wipe down bathroom surfaces daily or every other day. Use sanitizing wipes, a vinegar solution, or microfiber cloths to quickly clean counters, sinks, and toilets. This routine prevents the buildup of soap scum and grime, making your bathroom not only look cleaner, but also more hygienic. You don't need to use harsh chemicals to achieve a sparkling clean bathroom. Vinegar is a fantastic, eco-friendly alternative that effectively tackles grime and leaves surfaces streak-free. For a quick and effective cleaning routine, keep sanitizing wipes handy for daily touch-ups and use vinegar for a deeper clean. Number 5. Kitchen counters and sink. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and keeping it clean is essential for maintaining an organized space. After putting away clean dishes, make it a habit to wipe down the counters and sink with a damp cloth. This prevents food splatter and crumbs from accumulating, which can otherwise become a breeding ground for bacteria and grime. The key to this practice is consistency. By integrating this quick cleanup into your routine, you prevent messes from becoming overwhelming. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain a clean and inviting kitchen without needing to engage in frequent deep cleans. Number 6. Make beds. Starting your day with a small win can set a positive tone for the rest of the day, and making your bed is a perfect example. This simple task creates a sense of accomplishment and instantly tidies up your room. A made bed pulls the room together, making it feel more organized and inviting. The benefits of making your bed extend beyond just appearance. It can boost your mood and productivity by giving you a visual cue that you've achieved something first thing in the morning. This small habit can inspire you to tackle other tasks with the same sense of accomplishment. Plus, Returning to a neatly made bed at the end of the day provides a comforting and satisfying end to your day. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 7. Trash. Keeping on top of your trash can significantly impact the overall cleanliness of your home. To prevent overflowing bins and unsightly messes, collect and dispose of trash daily. Place small bins in every room, from the bathroom to the office, to make it easy to manage waste. At the end of each day, empty these smaller bins into a larger kitchen bin before taking it out. This daily trash patrol might seem like a small task, but it makes a big difference in maintaining a clean and pleasant living environment. By staying on top of your trash, you prevent odors and clutter from accumulating, keeping your home feeling fresh and organized. This simple routine ensures that your home remains clean and inviting, without the hassle of dealing with overflowing bins. Number 8. Dishes. Keeping your kitchen tidy starts with staying on top of your dishes. Avoid letting them pile up by washing them promptly after each meal. This prevents the buildup of dirty dishes, which can become a breeding ground for bacteria and make your kitchen look messy. The principle here is to handle dishes as you go. For those with dishwashers, simply load them during meal prep and run the cycle when full. For those without, washing dishes immediately after use ensures they don't sit around and become harder to clean. Number 9. Laundry. Managing laundry can feel like a never-ending task, but with the right approach, it becomes much more manageable. Use designated hampers for dirty clothes and collect them daily to avoid an overwhelming pile. By washing and putting clothes away promptly, you prevent laundry from becoming a major chore. Consider using cold water for most loads, as it's gentler on fabrics and more energy efficient. This small adjustment helps preserve your clothes and saves on your utility bills. Maintaining a consistent laundry routine keeps your clothes organized and prevents the stress of dealing with a mountain of laundry all at once. Number 10. Restock toilet paper. An empty toilet paper roll can be an unexpected inconvenience. To prevent this, make it a part of your nightly routine to check and restock toilet paper in all bathrooms. Aim to have at least 2 spare rolls per bathroom to avoid running out unexpectedly. By proactively managing your toilet paper supplies, you eliminate the frustration of encountering an empty roll. This simple step ensures that you and your guests are always prepared and avoids any potential emergencies. Number 11. Straighten up before bed. End your day on a positive note by spending a few minutes straightening up your home before bed. This involves returning misplaced items to their designated spots and tidying up any small messes that have accumulated throughout the day. This nightly routine prevents clutter from building up and helps your home stay organized. A quick pre-bedtime cleanup not only keeps your space looking neat, but also sets a serene tone for the following day. Waking up to a well-organized environment can positively impact your mood and productivity. Incorporating this simple habit into your nightly routine ensures that your home remains a calm and inviting space. And there you have it, 11 simple yet effective habits that organized people use to keep their homes clean and clutter-free. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FinTuberTalks for more practical advice on minimalist and frugal living.